Hello, I am Dr. Jinanan, co-director of the UUOI. UUOI is aiming to provide a stepping stone for professors of the developing countries to build their capacity to do research and teach their students in and out of class so that they can be effectively instrumental to the development of their countries and can responsibly contribute to the fulfillment of the UN SDGs in their fields.
Hello, I am Dr. Byung-Deok Kang, co-director of UUOI. UUOI stands for Unesco-Unitwin OER Initiative. UUOI is a great opportunity to share knowledge and experience between universities in the world. UUOI provides a platform for the high-level education and research. Particularly for the education on the platform, professors upload their teaching materials and students access the materials through internet.
Hello, this is Mamurjan Rahimov from Westminster International University in Tashkent. I am a participant of this grant program. I decided after participating in this program for one semester, I saw how beneficial it is for the university, for the professor, and especially for the students receiving this quality online content. Please participate in this program and share the benefits of this program. Encourage your colleagues to become a part of this program. Let's change the world for better.
My name is Professor Ana Gomez. I'm from Peru. I work at São Paulo Catholic University. First of all, I would like to thank to Unesco-Unitwin OER Initiative for this wonderful project and for letting me be part of it. It was a great experience to contribute with open content to Spanish speaker students and also with people who maybe do not have the privilege to have a formal education. The process was not difficult. You only need to manage your time properly in order to fulfill the timeline. I enjoy doing each lecture, each video. I really have fun. Your teachers, I encourage you to be part of this program. I truly believe that with education, we can change the world.
OCW is actually an area of education that we really need because of the acute shortage of qualified manpower. So if we got into that kind of an arrangement, it will be very useful for our university. OCW will contribute a great deal for Africa, again, because of the huge shortage of quality lecturers. Because most of the lecturers in the university do not have PhDs. And OCW will give us access to that kind of information.
Dear colleagues, I am Yuri Butsenko. The presence of such project allows not only to overcome the limitations in the educational process during the pandemic, but also is an obligatory part of the educational space, is helping in learning and teaching, as well as increases the level of their acquired knowledge. Thank you.
Handong Global University and we would like to support you to enhance your teaching skills and to upgrade your teaching materials. Please apply for the UUOI. If you have any questions and concerns, don't hesitate. Just contact us. Thank you very much.